Good afternoon and welcome to another short video from the Audiophile. Today I want to show you our Apple Carplay solution for the Porsche Panamera. This is for vehicles 2010 to 2016, so it's something we've been working on for some time. And what we've actually done is swapped out the whole infotainment system from the original factory PCM to the very latest Pioneer, which features wireless Apple Carplay, Android Auto, DAB radio, Bluetooth, USB, full onboard mapping, full European cover, traffic management, pretty much everything you could ever want. Also gives you full DAB radio, in case I didn't mention that. You'll see it will very quickly jump into the Apple CarPlay screen, which is all done wirelessly, so there's no need to plug your phone in with this. It's all completely wireless. There you go. So once we get to Apple CarPlay, we've then got everything we'd expect. So we've got Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, Deezer, Spotify, Siri, everything you could ever want. The unit, of course, has also got a tilt feature, so it even retains a CD player. How about that? CD and DVD going behind. It's also got a SD card, so you can put all your music on there if you want to. We've linked up the factory steering wheel controls, and I can show you that we've also linked up the factory reverse camera, so we've retained full functionality there. So there you go. You've got a Panamera 2010 to 2016, and you want to ditch the dated infotainment system. You want Apple CarPlay, but you want it properly, you don't want an add-on, then give us a shout. Audiofile-Incar.co.uk or 01279 757 218. We also have the same solution for the Cayenne, the later Cayenne. So the Panamera and the Cayenne, both looking really factory, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, perhaps subscribe to our channel to see lots of other similar videos with mods we make to cars.